Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you business students out there. The Lenovo 15.6 IdeaPad 1 laptop. This laptop is making waves with its impressive features, and we're here to give you the lowdown on why it might just be the best laptop for business students. So, let's dive right in and talk about this Lenovo IdeaPad 1 laptop. It's packed with some incredible specs that are sure to make your student life easier and more efficient. First up, we have a whopping 20 GB of RAM and a 1 TB PCIe SSD. Now, if you're wondering why this is a big deal, let me break it down for you. The 20 GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking, and the 1 TB SSD provides lightning-fast storage, making your laptop up to 15 times faster than those with traditional hard drives. That means no more waiting around for your laptop to boot up or load applications. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 features a 15.6-inch HD anti-glare display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. This ensures that you get crisp visuals without any annoying glare, which is perfect for those long study sessions or business presentations. In terms of connectivity, this laptop doesn't disappoint. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring you have the latest in wireless technology at your fingertips. You can stay connected and easily pair your devices without any hassle. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 boasts local video playback of up to 9.5 hours, which means you can work on your projects or attend classes without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. This laptop runs on Windows 11 Home in S mode, providing you with a secure and user-friendly operating system that's perfect for productivity tasks. But that's not all. This laptop also comes with a handy SD card reader, HDMI port, and even a 720p HD webcam with a privacy shutter. Plus, it's equipped with Dolby Audio, so you can enjoy excellent sound quality for your videos and conference calls. Now, you might be wondering about the price. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is available in various configurations, and the one we're looking at today, with 20 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, is priced at $469. There are other options available, such as a 12 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD variant for $449, or even a 20 GB RAM and 2 TB SSD option for $499. Before we wrap things up, I want to mention that there is a newer model available, the Lenovo 2023 newest IdeaPad 3 laptop. It's equipped with an Intel Core i3 processor, 20 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. If you're interested in this newer model, you can find it for $455.99. So, in conclusion, the Lenovo 15.6 IdeaPad 1 laptop is a powerful and versatile choice for business students. With its impressive RAM and SSD, along with a sleek design and a competitive price point, it's certainly a top contender in the laptop market. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.